I invite anybody that's out there using the rules to push them as hard as they possibly can push them, to find out where the limits are.
In terms of being creative?
To be creative, to innovate, to break the thing if they can. Because in breaking it, we'll find what works well. I'm a great believer in innovation. I'm a great believer in that wherever we are now, we can go to wherever we want to be, but we have to push beyond the boundaries of the things that we believe. If you're taught to fly, you'll learn something new. And that's the essence of what I take away from that quote. You know what? I want you all to understand this process before you see the yellow sign with a blue Z on it. Because if you understand the process, you're less likely to just have an, whoa, I don't want to do this crap reaction. And until all those folks get together and understand that if the school board sells a school, the county approves the sale of that school, and the city council does not approve the rezoning, that the money that the county or that the school board would have received to do things with in an unrestricted way never arrives. They're silos. Let's knock them down.